Hey, we are back and we are going, guys. Man, that was a rip. That was a rip right there. The whole house had like a power surge. I don't know what the hell happened. They're building new houses around here, though, so I think that there might be something weird with that. But I don't know. Very weird, guys. It's not raining or nothing. It's a great day. It's going to be like 66 degrees, although it is windy, so maybe that's part of it, but I don't know, very weird, but either way, thanks for coming back, guys. That's gonna hurt the stream though, for sure. Gotta love it when technology gives you that, right? It kept going so tight. Oh, you should have recorded that, Mason. That would have been kind of funny. I would have actually found that to have been pretty funny. Yeah, gotta love technology, guys. Seriously. Freaking crazy out there. Sorry about that, though. In the meantime, though, hey, DraftKings still moving up. Looks like it's about to make a new HOD or high of day here. That would be funny. Skipping like a CD, that's funny. But all right, guys, let's go. As people join back up, I'm watching DraftKings moving back up here towards that high of day. Wow. Man, let's go, DraftKings. Let's go. That is amazing right there. 43.58, new highs of the past couple years. It's getting close to some major resistance, though, guys. Watch out for like 43 to 47. It's going to be a big spot. If it can run up through there, though, that would be amazing. But, man, with how straight up it's been, I feel like there's got to be a pullback mixed in at some point. But it would be cool to see a pullback back down to like 25. Of course it would be, right? But I would love to see a pullback like that just to add even more shares down there. Kind of like Disney lately. How they started ripping. But they had a pretty decent pullback there, down to 89 again. Great job, Disney. They're just consolidating today, but it's all good. We know how Disney goes. Got that tea here today. Fire tea. Hopefully you guys are getting your Red Bulls and your coffees in. Better get them going. All right, we got to go over to that SM bot here. Let's see it. AMAT calls, apply materials. Looking pretty good, actually, and the good thing about this is it has a perfect double top at the moment, and this means that I think there's great potential on this. If it starts to break this, you could go ahead and look at calls of the upside. Now, of course, you know, there's going to be situations where it fakes out, where it might break slightly and then fall or something, but, man, I'm loving this setup today. Watch, 181.87. I guess you could just say 182 at this point, but yeah, I would just watch 182. You don't got to be so technical at the 87, but oh man, Mike, I totally forgot about the Super Bowl. Oh man, I totally forgot about that. How's ARM? You know, good call. I haven't looked at ARM today, but they're just falling off, so. They weren't at the top of my watch list again. Yeah, Mason, I totally forgot about the Super Bowl, man. I'm supposed to go to a party this weekend, and I totally forgot. Man. I guess I'm just too much into the market right now. At least I was remembering it more like 2 weeks ago. Now I'm kind of, I don't know. Weird, right? Niners against the Chiefs. Go to my bookie. Log in real quick. I'm curious what these odds are looking like. I know that these aren't going to be the best odds ever because it's my bookie, but all right, so they're favoring the Niners. I have 19 bucks in free play on this thing, and I was hoping to get some I don't know, some money to win with here. Maybe I could just play Golden Dragon with my 19 bucks. And if it wins, then I don't know, I'll put it all on the Chiefs or something. Will it not let me play with my free play here? That is funny. Look at this. Look at this, guys. This is so silly. Golden Dragon. What the... I'm not playing it. I'm just thought it was funny how they do that. I can like hear it too. Funny. Make it stop. But yeah, so it looks like the Chiefs are favored to lose. But I'll tell you what, I would never favor the Chiefs to lose in this, man. I'm picking the Chiefs to win. I'll tell you. I wish I could find some good parlays that I liked. See, like, I click on here, same game parlays, and it, like, I can pick these, but then I can't, like, I don't know. I'm kind of liking the yardage carries here. I think I want to do touchdowns. And I have a good feeling that this is going to be a special game for their running back, I have a feeling. We'll do rushing yards here. We're going to do Pacheco, whoever this is, over 68.5. See, when I do this, though, it won't let me do the free play on these ones. It sucks. This? Terrible. TD scores. Here we go. Player to score the first touchdown. Okay. I like this. Let's do Pacheco. We're going to do Pacheco scoring a touchdown. We're going to do the Chiefs to win. Can I parlay that? See, they never let me parlay the same ones, though. It makes me so upset. I don't know. I'll have to figure this out later, but I'll have to look into that. Yeah, I really think that he'll get at least one touchdown, if not a couple. So watch Pacheco. I think that this is going to turn into a game where the Chiefs end up running the ball a lot. Waiting on that sniper bot, Xbox said. I'm still looking at SM bot here. It just started firing off NVIDIA a couple calls ago. Man, let's go. DraftKings is on the bot too. Oh, but DraftKings rejected. Damn you, DraftKings. That was a pretty stiff rejection too. Too bad. AI, oh man, also rejection. Is it that time of day that stocks reject? Is that what's gonna happen here? Yeah, Mason, right? The 49ers have a first-time QB and beat the Packers. For real, man. The Packers aren't very good, in my opinion. I was very surprised that they made the playoffs, even. Very, very surprised. They did turn it on at the end, but, man. Not the best, though. Man, Spy did bounce right off that support that we were talking about earlier. We even drew up an arrow to it. Literally right on that spot. I appreciate you guys joining back up on the stream, though. I know it cut out, so it's going to kill the mojo for a minute, but hey, it's all right. We'll live with it today. Pretty crazy though here. All right, next up on the bot, Shopify calls on the 1 minute. SM bot popping. We got AMD on there. 2 AMDs recovering up like hell here. Wow. That was a pretty wild move on AMD there. Pretty bad drop, and then, man, right back up. Wow. I mean, that's a good break right there. Let me see here on AMD. I don't know. It's running right up into these resistances. It makes it tough. Makes it tough. I'm watching SM bot here. AMD still going off, firing like crazy. Wow. Obviously, hindsight's 20/20, but I think the real buy opportunity was more of off support down here for sure. What's up, Corbin? Hey, Anthony. Stock market is my absolute passion. Let's go, Anthony. Mine too. I hope everybody out there loves it with a passion. Appreciate you all being here today. Let's go. Give ourselves a round of applause. Come on, Snow. Snowflake's still looking pretty good. Man, this run-up's nice, though. Huge moves on the 5-minute chart. That is just... This is wild, guys. I gotta keep sitting on. It's such a good chart. I can't even believe it. NVIDIA is doing the same thing. Except it's just not as straight up as AMD. Like, wow, that was huge. Look at DraftKings right there. It's right there. Come on, DraftKings. What's the percentage on this one today? Up 1.9 room. Man, AMD. How high is it gonna get in the short term here? Holy shit. Maybe like 174.50. Man, when that momentum comes in, it really comes in on some of these stocks. Wow. Look at that volume pickup. All right, we're sitting right at my resistance now, 174.50. We'll see if this is the spot it starts to reject that. But God damn. SPY's trying to push 500 again, too. It's getting close. I have my alert really close to there. 499.98 is where I'm putting it. Fucking go, NVIDIA, David said. Seriously, right? Hey, Corbin got a new job. I saw that on Snap, Corbin. I was curious. What are you into now? What are you into? Wow. Man, that momentum up is insane right there. Hybrid bot. Come on, hybrid, let's go. Hey, I like it. Go. I don't want to say it though because it's a premium play. Go. There we go, Zoom. Wow, I like that run off that low. Very nice. AMD, how we looking? Ooh, 175. Big spot up there. That's definitely a big resistance, guys. Big whole dollar level, too. I think it could break, but... Xbox said, what do you see Zoom doing? It's moving pretty good, 65.53. Breaking out very well. I mean, we have to just look for that momentum, right? And look at the volume coming in on the 5-minute charts. I mean, we have the volume on our side right now. It just has to really continue with that momentum. There's a lot of stocks right now that are starting to run up intraday, kind of like AMD, and they're getting a little high. So, but a lot of them are continuing. So keep your eyes on the prize with Zoom. It's going to be kind of a riskier play in my opinion, but I do think it could be pretty fire. Maybe you have like a stop loss, like, you know, 64.90-ish, like Mike said or something. Not bad. All right, SPY, here we go. Bouncing off support. It came back up today, now consolidating. Curious if that support's going to hold up or not. We need to get back above 500 with the SPY. It would be beautiful if SPY could just break that. Is NVIDIA making all-time highs? Oh my gosh, it is. Let's go, NVIDIA. Got up above that recent high just now. It was at like 710, essentially, was the recent high, so... Come on, NVIDIA. You got to get higher than this on that break. Don't just break by $1 for us now. No more trading in the bathroom at work. He says, I build electrical distribution control centers. They're like buildings with huge breakers and transformers inside. Oh, okay, Corbin. I think I've seen stuff like that. You know what I've mainly seen it on is the game Escape from Tarkov. When I had to go on that game and turn the power off or on. That's funny. But no, that sounds awesome though, Corbin. I hope you like it. I hope you like it better than your old job. High voltage danger. Oh boy. Corbin says NVIDIA 1500 by the next 2 years. Man, I could see it. I'm just kidding. I don't know. That's pretty tough. That's pretty tough. I don't think I could see that one, but I go to Tesla, I go to the daily chart, and like we go look at Tesla's previous run. And I like looking at this just to put this into perspective for everyone, because I'm not saying that NVIDIA is going to go up this much, but let's just go to pre-COVID with Tesla. Or like literally right when COVID was happening. Tesla ran up like 13 to almost 1,400% over that time, depending on where you pick here in 2019. Within like 2 to 3 years, this stock was up 1,300%, okay? NVIDIA is kind of that new kid on the block. You know, it's the new head honcho like that. It's getting all the hype. And it deserves the hype, honestly, given everything that it does. But does it deserve to be this high? I'd probably say not. And I think the majority of people out there would probably say it's a little too high right now. But that doesn't mean it won't keep going. Tesla, everyone said it was too high way early on too. So, you know, whenever stocks are running up and they're up 700%, it seems freaky. It seems like something that never can happen, right? But it can easily keep going, like Tesla did with that big secondary run and added that second like 700, 800% on. That is huge there. So that's kind of just what I'm looking at right here with Tesla. Hoping to see more good uptrend coming in as we go forward, but overall, I am worried about Tesla dropping down short term. I think we could look at it around 100 to 120, but going back to NVIDIA, it's just such a big run right now. I know people are freaked out by it, but it is possible for it to keep going too. So, but is it really worth risking like a ton of money on like swinging anything? No, it's not. And I think that you'll hear a lot of people say like, you know, there's no opportunity with NVIDIA, no opportunity, no opportunity, no opportunity. And I think that the main thing is that there's no opportunity if you're going to buy and hold it. You know, I think at this point, if you're going to buy and hold it, it's kind of dumb. Now, could it work? Yes. But if you implement that strategy on, you know, multiple times across different stocks, it's not going to work most of the time. So keep that in mind. Hey, nice. Corbin's happy with the job. I love to hear that. Hope everybody out there's having a great end of your week. Let's go. Claps all around. Nice. I see some good profits in the profits channel with Jane. Nice. That's so funny. Jane, you had an awesome week. I hope Jane's in here listening, but if she's not, guys, head into the Discord right now. She's such a valuable member to our community. She's been putting in a ton of work. I mean, a ton of work, guys, to make her trading better. Go run into the Discord right now. Go into the Profits channel and don't just hit the button, but guys, I want everybody in here to go give Jane a congrats out there. Let's go, guys. That is a great week by Jane. She's been putting in a ton of work. Get in there. Hype Jane up. She's in here all the time. Of course, she's not today, so I'm kind of glad she's not, so we can kind of surprise her. I want to see like multiple people get in there and get it going, guys. Come on. Go give her some congrats in there. The Profits channel. That's awesome. Justin came in with the first one. I like it. Abundant. There we go. There we go. Come on, guys. Get in there. Xbox, Corbin, Anthony, McKinley, Mua. Hell yeah. Let's go, guys. She's always got the positive vibes. I love it. Let's go. Yeah, I love hearing that, Corbin. Perfect thing to say. Man, love this community, guys. Let's go. Love you guys.
All right, all right, all right.
All right, SPY. Still just lingering around here. Let's go. Not bad. We got Boeing starting to bounce off support around 209 to 210. Let's go. Hell yeah, Corbin. All right, Tilray. Nothing today. Come on, guys. We need the we need the MJ to start going for us. Come on, Tilray. Need to see some green. 435.45 coming in on the QQQ. Looking like it's actually about to break out above the recent high. So let's go. That could be a fun break. Come on, QQQ. Wow, what a break by QQQ. Good movement there. How's Ford? Ooh, falling off like crazy. Got to go back to the bot here today. Let's get back to the bot. Come on. DraftKings. Live footage of Jane. I love it, Mason. What a morning, though, right? We saw a SPY open up. It was close to 500. It looks like it might be getting up there again. We are just a few green candles away from touching it. We're like within 25 cents, guys. That's it. It's 25 cents. Pretty crazy there, isn't it? 25 cents. Who would have thought? All right, let's see Boeing real quick. Moving back down to support. I want to see that support give out. Maybe we could see a play down today. Or if you want to be really ballsy, if you think there's a bounce back up, you could maybe look at support. Throw a stop loss just under there and watch for a bounce back if you want to be ballsy with support here today. Might not be a bad idea. As far as the setup, it's like grade A. It's right on a spot where there's been a lot of movement lately. I don't know. Maybe a retest of 210. Little trade idea there. Cornish in the off-topic channel said his trading partner showed up. It's a dog. That's funny. Look at Mara for sure. Yeah, you know, Coinbase, Mara, Riot, we're doing great this morning. Bitcoin was popping off. But now that the market opened, it's just been slowing up a ton. And I mean like a ton. Palantir starting to zoom down a little bit here. All right, give me 1 second here. Oh man, guys, the baby came in my room and she pooped. Oh no. You gotta love that, right? Whew. David said it's happening. 500's happening, guys. It's right there. There we are. Watch for that rejection. Literally right on 500. Wow. I can't believe it, guys. What do you guys think? Above, up, or down on that? I'm also going to do a Super Bowl poll really quick. Will the Chiefs or 49ers win? I don't know how to do 49ers. All right, vote it up. Chiefs or 49ers, pick your poison. Pick the poison. I'm gonna get a book map back up. It closed when my computer turned off. Let's see, Taiwan Semiconductors here. Yeah, TSM's a decent support, but we really need that SPY to break 500. Come on, SPY. Don't reject at 500. Push up through there for us. Come on. Mason's got his champagne ready. Hopefully 500 breaks. I used to cheat inside Mahomes. I felt like Patrick. What? Corbin, that's funny. Pull the SPY up on the book map, though. Yeah, come on, 500. You should have to drink it if we break 500, though. Oh, I see what you mean, Mason. He secretly wants it, guys. Secretly wants it. What's up, David? W's for Jane. I love you guys getting in there and hyping Jane up. Let's go. Oh, it'll be sprayed. I see. Now I see it. Sorry, Mason. I'm a little bit slow. All right, QQQ. It broke the high of... It broke the all-time high, but... I don't know. Not the best movement yet today. What's my settings on Bookmap, David asks. You know, I have quite a bit of settings going on here. Wow, look at 500 on the Bookmap. It's an obvious level. 15,000 shares stacked there on SPY. I think that's 15,000. Yeah, 15,000 stacked there. Very interesting. We'll have to see. That's a big wall. That's a big wall. But my settings are pretty easy, I guess. On this heat map here, I have this dimmed. I have the current order book on. session range volume profile on the right. My settings up here are just a little bit. I'll bring it down so you can see. That's how they look. I don't have anything too crazy on here. Got the CVD. You don't really need a lot of these things. You really just need the current order book and the volume, in my opinion. Or the heat map, I guess you'd say. The volume dots are nice too. There's a lot of cool tools though on the book map. I just really like seeing where the big levels are though. It helps me so much throughout the day. Posted a picture of the little girl in the off-topic channel here. You pull up last 24 hours. No, I don't always do that. I don't always. It just depends on what I'm trying to do, David. If I'm looking at quick intraday scalping opportunities, I'm just looking at like the past 6 hours generally. If it's the end of day, sometimes I'll extend it out so I can see early in the morning or something, but generally I don't unless I need to. Kevin said AFRM. Let's see it. AFRM. And right as QQQ is about to break again, it looks like. Yeah, firm coming up nicely. I don't know. Kind of a crazy stock, though, today, considering they had earnings and everything. Kind of a nuts one. Yeah, no problem, David. No problem at all. All right, SM Bot, what do we got? You know what I want to check in on is Zoomy Zoom here, which was having a fantastic morning. Come on, Zoom. Keep up that momentum today. How's Palantir? Oh, the momentum finally gave out on Palantir, guys. That's too bad. Oh, I also just realized when my computer restarted on me, my mic settings were messed up. Hang on. I might sound kind of quiet compared to usual. I'm gonna switch it back, so be ready to hear it go louder. All right, there we go. Now it should be better. It probably sounded fine, though, anyways, but... Palantir, though, that's a big drop. Considering they've just been ripping day after day. Gonna have to watch out for supports coming up. I have one really close to $24 even, so keep your eyes on that. Man, this tea today is really good. NVIDIA 714. What? Oh my gosh. I think we're starting to see a true breakout coming in now. Look at that high of day breaking. The recent high, all-time high broke at 710 like it was nothing. We're seeing the 1 minute jump like crazy. AMD slowed up a lot. Wow, NVIDIA. 715 now. SPY. Right back to 500. We got to look at that on the book map. Let's zoom it in. Let's zoom it in. Let's see what it looks like. Come on, Spy. I know you're going to hit there. Come on. Get up through there. Mason went into Walgreens with the live playing. What? You have to be 21 to buy Alka-Seltzer. Are you serious? How the hell are people abusing Alka-Seltzers? That seems really weird, Mason. Mason's like, I didn't bring it. Oh. Mason, you are 21 now, right? I'm pretty sure, right? Oh, there we go, Spy. Right there on the book map. Tried to cross. It was 498.98. Wow. So close. Rejecting back off again. It's gonna be a tough level to break, but if it does, watch out. Come on, Spy. Oh yeah, Mason's 22 soon. I see. Man, might see Nvidia 717, 718. That would be nice. Come on, Nvidia, get up there for us. Alright, Spy. Get there, Spy. Come on. It's funny. Everyone's watching the book map in Discord, too. It's fun to watch it when it's like this. I feel like that guy on Ed Basemaster. I'm like, would you just look at it? I'm gonna add that onto our sounds here. Oh, I've already tried this before. It's not on there. Oh, it is on there. All right, hold on, guys. I'm gonna turn it down so it doesn't blow our ears out here.
Oh, would you look at this?
Oh God, it would have. Thank God I turned that down. We're blessed with a long stream today, aren't we, Justin? Yes, we are. Definitely long stream day today on Friday, especially with the market being right around 500 like this and stocks looking as hot as they are. Definitely today, Justin. Come on, SM bot. I'm glad you like that, Justin. That's cool. I saw that guy live. I saw Ed Basemaster live, guys. It was pretty weird. Man, Spy's having a ton of consolidation here. Maybe the buyers are stacking up and getting ready to push this baby through. How's SPX? Is it right at 5,000 or? Nope, it's above it pretty well, so. I figured considering it was almost above there yesterday, but. All right, just a couple cents off again. All right, here it goes. It's gonna test it. Ooh, we just hit it. Wiped it, guys. Wiped it. Gardening relaxation said so fun. Yeah, let's go. Come on. You can see how that big volume dot hit right there. So it wiped out that area, but it's not getting up through there yet. Come on, Spy. There's a lot of sellers right here just trying to push it down like in the moment. All right, we're starting to see some confliction here. Look at the bottom now. Now the buyers are starting to kind of stack a little bit. Come on, get us that nice upwards action going, buyers. There we go. Come on. Get us back through 500. Yes, push more. We need more than 5 cents here. Much better audio, Mark said. What's up, Mark? What sounds better, like the mic or the music, or? Let me know, Mark. I'm actually curious. Come on, Spy. Quit bouncing. All right, gotta go back to NVIDIA now. Still just lingering around 715.75. Lingering. 175 on AMD hitting as that high of day. Looks like that's going to be resistance there. So watch it. All right, Zoomy. Nice. Come on, Zoom. Let's break that high of day, Zoom. Come the fuck on. Let's go. This would be a great end of the week here if Zoom could get up through there. Just watch this resistance. Come on, Zoom. Hopefully Spy can start to run above 500. Just push stocks up. That's what we want to see. How's Meta today? Nice. Still holding pretty high in the short term. Definitely not bad. DraftKings, did you slow up? Yeah, they're slowing up a little bit. David said, where's Manny at? Yeah, he's in the chat, I think. Not totally sure where Manny is today. Just so you guys know, Manny is some type of officer in his job. So, you know, keep that in mind. He's going to be pretty busy, I guess, if he has to work like the mornings or something. Yeah, he's like Batman. That's what he is. He's Batman. That's it. Yeah, he's out there fighting crime. Oh, that's funny. Come on, DraftKings, get better for us. Disney's pulling back after their earnings, which is kind of expected. You know, it's not going to go up every single day. Following that, good movement so far, though. How's PayPal today? Still coming up? Okay. Came up a little bit this morning. Gave me some hope of like a after earnings recovery here, maybe back to 60 or so. Still around support at 57. How are the China stocks today? I noticed people haven't been mentioning the China stocks a lot lately, huh? I don't know, starting to get lower again. Baba back to support. What's the next support on Boeing? Let's see. Corbin's gonna hit the gym. Nice, Corbin. Keep it up. I actually skipped the gym last night, but I went on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. And yeah, I went on Wednesday after the live Q&A. It was a late night session. And then yesterday, I went to the gym, but then actually just ended up going to my buddy's house and changing my oil. And then I was like, you know, do you want to go to the gym? And he's like, nah. He's like, let's just stay home. And I'm like, all right, fine. Fine, we'll do it tonight. It was funny. First, I'm like, do you want to go? And he's like, I don't care. If you want to, we can. And I'm like, cool, let's go then. And he was like, oh. And I'm like, all right, well, we can just stay home then. Had me kind of laughing there. Keeping it on the down low, yeah. Anything to get out of it, right, Mason? Justin said this song is the Stocked Up theme song for him. That's awesome. It's called Vacuum by Cadella. I like this one quite a bit too. Recovery's just as important. Yeah, for sure, Xbox. Mason said gains are made in the kitchen. Dude, Mason, I have been going hard trying to get my weight up lately. My arms like literally feel bigger right now than they did over the past couple months. So I think it's starting to work a little bit. I went from like, I'm sitting right around 132.5 today. I'm going to be getting some food in here in a few minutes, actually. I'm having one of those sausage, egg, and cheese croissants. All right, Baba. Protein shakes and creatine, McKinley said. Yeah, I've been having to do these freaking protein shakes that are silly. So I have this app called MyFitnessPal, and I really like this app. I think it's a badass one. So on Wednesday, I actually ate 3,204 calories, which for me, that is a lot. Mainly coming from the steak I had for dinner and then a 750 calorie protein shake that I had as well. But yeah, I had something like 3,000 to 3,200 calories that day. If I could keep that up every day, I'd be pretty spot on. But yesterday, my calories were actually pretty low. So, although late night, I made up for it with a lot of food. But Boeing starting to bounce off that little support we were looking at. No, 750 calorie protein shake. Sorry. What's up, GH? It really is, McKinley, and I'm not somebody that usually eats like a ton of food. So like, man, I only weigh like 130 pounds, like I said. So it's kind of a, I don't know. It's 50-50 for me on if I'm going to be eating a lot that day or not. Yeah, Mark, I did not that much from the past couple days, but this morning during the live stream, we had the power cut off, and then I came back, and my mic's software was actually turned off from whenever the computer turned off, so I turned it back on for the second stream, but hopefully it does sound better. If you're talking about from the other day, then I don't know. That's totally weird. How can stock market make? It's just 1 penny from 500. Let's go back to Bookmap. Sitting still at 500, guys. It broke again. Ended up coming back up and breaking here. Let's go. $500.07. Yeah, and Mason, that's kind of what's been happening, I think, really. I'm not able to stay above my goal of 3,000 calories. But the goal is really to be closer to 4,000. 3,000 for me would be all right. Wow, come on, Spy. Get up here. Do not fall back under 500. You hold now. Do not get back under there or else Greta's going to be pissed. Don't piss Greta off now. Do we have a timestamp for NVIDIA callout? David, I don't know which callout you necessarily mean with NVIDIA. Yeah, I feel you there, Mason. You gotta gain that weight, man. Yeah, I definitely get that. Oh, he says mine, that is. Oh, I see. Oh, man, David. No, it doesn't have a time on there. I wish it did, though. I'm trying to see if I can find one. I can't find one either. Kind of stupid. That is dumb. I just realized that. Why don't they put times there? Makes no sense. Or at least if you, like, hover your mouse over it, it shows it. Tilray trying to bounce a little bit. I'm just kidding. All right, Palantir. GH said, are you a full-time trader? Do you guys have jobs? This is all I do, GH. This is it. I'm sure most people out there have jobs, though. And sometimes I still do some stuff like with my dad's business on the side or something like that if they need help or something at nighttime maybe. But yeah, mainly all just this. And man, I'll tell you what. DraftKings last year, boy, that that paid for everything just about. Just about. It's funny. Hell, those long-term trades are freaking doing better this year than the short-term ones. Still 9 to 5 for now anyways. Yeah, for sure. And it's going to take a while, you know, if you guys are starting this, it's going to take a little while. And once you build up a big account and you start getting into like safer trades and stuff, you know, you can start to manage that a little bit better. But of course, always have stuff going on the side too, you know, like most people also like to get into real estate, like to get into flipping houses, maybe doing stuff with like loans, you know, renting. That's a big thing that just kind of ties into everything I said. But Jose said, sure, you also get paid from Stocked Up. I mean, yeah, sure, you know, a little bit here and there, Jose. Just depending on, you know, how many sales and stuff go through and all that stuff, but looking at tax deeds, that's interesting, David. I will have to look into that. I haven't really heard of it, but I will have to look into that. The muscles have stored energy which needs to be replaced. Yeah, I feel that, Xbox. I need to... One thing I've been doing lately that's kind of cool is I've been doing the protein shakes. And I've also been doing this stuff called, like, Lit pre-workout. It's so good, guys. It's this, like, watermelon-flavored pre-workout from GNC. It's pretty cool. That's pretty nice. But yeah, pretty cool. Palantir starting to sell off pretty hard under 24. Hey, no problem, gardening. I love it, gardening. I love being here with you guys. Mike loves it too. Mason, Hunter, Jack, and Colin. We all love it. Hope you guys enjoy your time here. Real estate is dope, can leverage credit and get tax advantages. Yeah, Corbin, exactly. There's so many advantages to real estate. Now I'll say this. Do I think it's gonna, like, be, like, the big, like, make or break thing that really, like, propels someone into, like, richness? No. No, I don't think that. But I do think that over time, acquiring those, like, let's say, you know, 10, 20 years down the line, if you have multiple properties and stuff, you could be pretty set. And that's what I really like about it. And I'm sure you guys all know that. I'm just talking. Jabba the Hutt in discussion. Oh my god, Mason just put a funnier one out there. Oh my god, back-to-back bangers in the Discord here. This is funny. Yeah, mainly long-term. It's all about passive income. Exactly. Do you do crypto, G8 said? I actually do not do any crypto, GH. I've actually never even bought crypto one time. I've never owned it, GH. Unless I bought some a long time ago and forgot about it. In which case, I'll be really happy, but I don't even know I have it, so. I was messing with it in like 2016 or something, but, you know, never really, I don't think I even did it, so. It's just not for me. I'd rather just stick to stocks and companies that I can track and know a little bit better, right? I do think some exposure to crypto will be good, though, for most people. So, you know, I'm not saying not to trade it by any means. Don't think that me not getting it is me saying not to trade it. It's just for me, I'd rather just stick where I like my risk a little bit better. I don't know. I'm not a big believer in the whole crypto is going to take over the whole transaction process thing. I'm just not convinced yet. Maybe it will one day, but I don't know. What price will SPY hit today? Man, gardening. That's the if I knew that for sure, I would make $1 million today, gardening. If I knew for certain that SPY was gonna hit a certain price, I would be a millionaire today. But man, that's such a subjective question. I would say with SPY, the way it's moving now, it's very hard to tell. There's the pre-market high up around 501. I mean, I don't really see it going too much higher than where it is right now, honestly. But man, I could see that. I could see, like, I don't see 501 breaking today at all. I don't see that breaking. So I'm going to say under 501 on the day. As far as resistance here around 500. Yeah, I mean, got to look for rejection. I don't know. We're holding 500, but it's not like necessarily a big hold. It keeps like chopping around here. Tough to say. I mean, I would say it's going to get more choppy. I don't really see it running up to 501 again, like I said. I'm kind of predicting like a downtrend coming in, but not a major one, but just a pullback. Hard to say on this one. It's a setup that to me is like a no play type of move here. I think today it's better to stick where that momentum is, like Zoom, Nvidia, maybe stocks like that. You know, not Palantir necessarily, but I would try to find some stocks that are moving. Maybe SM Bot is very helpful with this. So let's go eye up the SM Bot here. Like, what do we got running here? AAPL calls are on the list. So yeah, I think that would be a much safer play than trading SPY today. Like a little breakout on Apple if it breaks like 189.40. I think that could be better. Let's go look at some other ones. ZOM is starting to move. Let's go. Running down though. Oh shit. ZOM, that is a bad drop off there. Holy crap. Man, ZOM. Almost broke resistance and just literally rejected like right on the resistance. That's funny. That is a major rejection from ZOM though, guys. That is brutal. It's giving back all the gains of the week. Look at that. Which is mainly all from yesterday, but... Hey, sounds good, David. I'll see you at Power Hour, man. Have a fantastic rest of your day. Have a great weekend, too. We're going into the weekend here. Be ready for next week. Let's go see if we got the earnings calendar for next week up here yet. Let you guys screenshot that real quick. Here we go. DraftKings next week. Let's go see ZOM. Yeah, let's go. Earnings, guys. Here is the calendar if you guys are wanting to screenshot it at all. Here you go. Most of them are on here. There's a couple at the bottom that are off, but really we don't even need to look at those. So pretty good week next week. Airbnb, Upstart, Robinhood, Kraft Heinz, DraftKings. Catch-up's reporting next week. Beautiful. Kraft Heinz reporting. super react with DraftKings there. Yeah, catch-up's going on. This song's gonna make Spy blast through 500. That would be sick if it did. DraftKings earnings during Super Bowl. Any thoughts? You know, DraftKings should do pretty well on earnings, I have a feeling. There's always surprises that could happen with DraftKings, though. Like, for example, maybe the betting did not go their way or something so far this year or something like that, right? There's always that possibility, so you got to be careful of that. But whenever I look at the earnings, I'm really hopeful that DraftKings will continue to have good numbers here. If we go over to the StockedUp dashboard and we go to DraftKings, they've actually been growing pretty well. Now, one thing to keep in mind with them is they do better during different parts of the year. So we're really looking at Q4 of 2022 as a good comparison here. The revenue was $855 million, I believe, right? Last year? Yeah, million. And we need to see that get above 855 here this time with some good growth. So in Q3 2023, revenue was $789 million. In Q3 2022, it was $501. So there was significant growth between Q3 of last year to Q3 of this year. We need to see a similar growth rate like that heading into Q4 here. If we see the revenue come in and cross like $1 trillion, or I mean into the $1 billion mark, then that'll be awesome. And I think that that's what we'll see. We need to see their revenue come in above $1 billion. And I'm not sure exactly what the analysts are looking at exactly, but yeah, that's a big spot here for DraftKings. I think that they could have a good report. They're still kind of in that growth phase where they're a little bit rough, but they're expecting 2024 to be their first full profitable year. So I love it for that. I love it. Oh no, guys. Oh no. Hold on, guys. I just messed something up. Totally bad. Gosh. Somehow I had my phone in my lap and my emails were open and I accidentally somehow like butt dialed my emails and like took shit off. That was just funny. Tom just put 500 grand on AMD calls. AMC calls? You liar! I did not. Stupid YouTube wouldn't let me look at that. But yeah, AMC calls. No, hell no. Get out of here. Corbin said I'm a savage. Yeah, let's go. Man, it's just having problems here. Can't break 500. A lot of issues here. I did something really bad, I see. Robinhood also has a lot of exposure these days. Yeah, you know, I'm not a big fan of Robinhood. Could be interesting though. Robinhood's something I'm just not too into. I don't know too much about them as far as their company or what I'm looking for with growth. I really don't like their platform, so I kind of hope that they I hope that they lose a lot of subscribers, because I feel like more people need to start getting more into charting more realistically on like Thinkorswim and stuff like that. Without the ability to do charting, really, I mean, day trading is just out the window, really. I mean, you're just kind of guessing at that point. And those Robinhood charts don't even count for me as charting. They're just so bad. But I don't want to hate on Robinhood too bad. I know a lot of you guys like them. It is good. It's simple. You can definitely use it. It's just, you got to use something for charting. Citigroup moving down to support. Watch 5350. Come on, Kraft. Let's go. Kraft's starting to fall down a little on the daily, isn't it? Wow. That's not too good to see. Man, Nvidia hit 718 and started falling back off now. That's a big spot. 718. AMD's coming back to consolidate. SPY rejecting off of 500, guys. It tried to get back up to there today. It's still just... It might not be a total rejection yet, but it's definitely starting to point back down right now. Wow. And Makias. I bought ARM at 55 back when they IPO'd. Should I sell it now? You know, that's a tough question. I think that ARM could be a stock that does good for a while, but man, if you bought in at 55, it's hard not to say to sell. Here's what I would say. If you have more than 100 shares, for every 100 shares that you have, you can actually sell a out-of-the-money call option. And I think that right now, considering it's at 110, I think that you should utilize your shares and you should sell a call option up around like the 120 strike. This could actually bring in some pretty good profits, considering, or, you know, depending on how many shares you got. But here's what I'll say. If you can't do that, it's probably good to take profits at some point soon, considering you're up 100%. And you might want to maybe cut half of it, you know, or cut a quarter of it, or lock in 30%, you know, whatever it is. You don't have to necessarily get rid of all your shares here, but I would say it's a pretty good idea to cut sometime soon or trim a little bit, just considering how much it's up. The big question is, how much more are these stocks going to go? I mean, there's so many AI and tech stocks just so high right now. It's like, geez, like, you know, for all we know, China or Russia could do something, and next week, these stocks could be way back down. Like, ARM could be back to 80, like, no problem, you know? It just fills the gap. What Jane just said in Discord has me cracking up. Have a good weekend. Been great this week, stocked up. Hey, let's go gardening. Appreciate you joining up. Have a fantastic weekend yourself. I do actually have to stop the stream here soon as well. We have a doctor's appointment for the little girl today, but man, I really appreciate you all joining up and having fun here this week. It's been a fantastic week in the stock market. There's been so many great stocks moving. Seriously, though, I hope everybody out there has a fantastic weekend. It's been a great week out there. I love seeing the SPY running up to around 500. It is rejecting now, but, you know, that's just how the market goes, right? You got to watch out for these big levels. It's not always just going to go straight up and through these, so keep that in mind. The SM bot's starting to cool off a little bit here, too, which makes a lot of sense, you know, considering stocks are slowing up. But, hey, I really hope you guys have a good one out there. I will talk to you later, and hey, stay in the profits, right? Stay green. Walk away with some profits this week. Don't end the day in the red, whatever you do. If you guys out there have been trying to learn and, you know, you're having problems and let's say the market is has been tough for you lately, right? Just keep putting in the work, guys. It is a very tough game, trading the stock market. It is tough, okay? It took me a couple years to finally buckle down and learn some safer strategies and how to really maximize, I guess, the winning percentage. But just keep putting in the work, guys. Keep watching intraday price action. Look at those charts. Find good setups. Go through trade ideas in your head. Maybe even do paper trading a little bit. You know, paper trading's a little different, but, you know, to kind of get used to things a little bit, if you're having a tough time, maybe try a little bit of paper trading. But yeah, let's keep up the great work, guys. Keep grinding out there. Keep putting in the work. To everyone who had a great week, let's fucking go. Glad you guys making out well. I saw a lot of great posts on the Profits channel this week. If you did have a good week, feel free to post it up in there. I'm sure it'll help motivate a lot of people. Other than that, though, I appreciate you guys. Jose says, Tom, do you recommend any specific course? Hey, Jose, message Mason on Discord. Message Mason up in Discord, Jose. He's got you on a few things. Of course, if you need any extra help, feel free to message me as well, but just post up in like the off-topic channel or something, Jose, or even the discussion channel at Mason, and see if you can get him on there. But all right, guys, I'll talk to you later. Have a fantastic weekend. Get rested up for next week. It's going to be a fun one with these big earnings. See you later.
All right, all right, all right. All right, all right, all right. All right, all right, all right.